how to make banana bread. So the ingredients are 4 to 5 very ripe bananas, sea salt, vanilla extract, a stick of butter, baking soda, 2 large eggs, beaten, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, a pan, a mixing machine, and non-stick spray to make the pan not sticky. You also want to mash the bananas, like this. Hello, this is the ingredients part. So you want to get your pan and spray it a little bit, which I already have, that was just a demonstration. And then you want to take the pan and put it to the side. Then the ingredients are 1 3/4 of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, a cup of brown sugar, a little dollop of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, large, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and your 4 or 5 mashed. Hello, welcome back. So now we are going to add the ingredients. So first, you're going to add your 2 large eggs first. Then you're going to get your fully melted stick of butter, put it in here. Cooled, remember. And you also need your little dollop of vanilla extract. Remember, not too much. Now, we're going to add 2 solids first. And also a little trick, you don't have to add the salt or baking powder in by itself. You can add it to the flour, just like that. See, just like that. And also, you want to stir it, but I don't have a fork, so I'm just going to use this. Just like that. And now we're going to add this in gently. Don't make a mess. There we go. And now you're going to take your cup of brown sugar, add it in there. And also, you want to put this down. Put it into the log flour. And then you want to start mixing. And while it's doing that, you gotta get your bananas out. Let that mix for a little bit. You should get the bananas in with a spatula. Gently add it in one at a time. Now, I'm going to let it mix for a bit. Keep it mixing for a while. Now, to insert the thing, the batter, you want to take it, unhook it from the pan, get your spatula again, and now it's time to put your set it ways pan away. So here we go. Time to add it into here. And also, if you wanted to make the bread a little bit more sweet, you take a little bit of sugar and gently sprinkle it on top of the batter to make it so when it comes out, the crust will be nice. And you also want to preheat the oven to 350. Just like that. Now, it's time to take the banana bread out of the oven. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. After that, baking that for 45 minutes. It should be ready and let cool, then you should serve. That's how you make banana bread.